I have often warned that a lot of what is posted on social media is done so with a motive or agenda in mind. And here is another case that proves just that. This stems from a post made by one Dejon Morris, which reads as follows. Today, I had an emergency with one of my twin sisters. My mom and I had to rush her to the children's hospital. Before reaching the hospital, we were stopped by some police officers at the stoplight at Stadium. My mom quickly explained to them that she's aware her sticker was up on the car from yesterday. However, we had an emergency to rush to the hospital. He asked to see necessary identification and he did receive them. Now he had us held there with the sick baby, and all we pleaded for some assistance to get to the hospital, he refused to carry us. His focus was more on getting a wrecker. 2 police vehicles were there and none of them assisted us in getting to the hospital. One of the officers said, "After me no business," and the other stood there and laughed. Now, this is my point to Prime Minister of Jamaica. Is this the law force that should be here to serve and protect and assist civilians? These so-called police officers, majority of them show no remorse to us civilians, not even to a 1-year-old baby. However, the police in a release has punched several holes in this post. Following a viral video shared on multiple social media platforms over the weekend of July 2nd, depicting woman accusing the police of preventing her from taking her sick child to the Bustamante Hospital for children during a traffic stop, the Inspectorate and Professional Standards Oversight Bureau was instructed to conduct an investigation into the allegations. Reports are that on Friday, July 2, about 5:30 p.m., a team of police from the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEP, was conducting traffic enforcement activities along Mountain View Avenue in the vicinity of Arthur Wynne Drive, when a Toyota Corolla motorcar driven by a woman and accompanied by a teenager was signaled to stop. The driver complied and the police requested her motor vehicle documents, which revealed the following. 1. The certificate of fitness expired on the 21st of August 2020. 2. Registration certificate expired on May 31st, 2021. And 3. The insurance on the motor car was also expired. After pointing out the breaches of the Road Traffic Act, the driver was informed that she will be ticketed and the motor car will be seized. She then proceeded to tell the police that she has an emergency and is transporting her sick child to the Bustamante Hospital.
Henry, don't call the body! Sir, you supposed to take care and job us go down at children's then, sir. We're not taking no taxi go down at children's. Henry, call control on the way down to the center, come the brother. You must learn for art! You don't know no art! You don't have no art! Children right there about Samantha. I'm saying I have an emergency. And before the officer assist me, I better you assist me go and when you come back and say, alright miss, I'm going to take the vehicle now. You stop me also. Take the vehicle now. I'm on the way to the hospital for my daughter. 1-year-old.
A check of the car revealed that there was no sick child in the car and that the child was already at the hospital. The police proceeded to solicit the assistance of a taxi to take her to hospital at no charge to her, which she refused. A further attempt was made to assist her in another police service vehicle, and she also refused, and insisted that the officers on location take her to the hospital. The police inspectorate has since completed its inquiry into the incident, and has found that the police acted professionally, exercised due care, and complied with the policies and the procedures of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, as well as the laws of Jamaica. The findings of the probe also revealed that there was no sick child in the vehicle, that the woman was offered alternative transportation by the police, following which her vehicle was seized for breaches under the Road Traffic Act, and she received 2 traffic tickets. Additionally, sources have indicated that the woman in question have been issued 12 tickets prior to this incident. Among them are multiple tickets for offences which includes driving without a license, operating an unlicensed vehicle, and driving without insurance. It was also revealed that the expired cover note she presented to cops was fake.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, Walk good, my friends.
Teach them.